Dear friends, welcome to Ganga Delta Meditation. Today, as a part of tourism, we see Ramappa temple located at the Macharla, Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh, India. One of the old temple, Lord Shiva temple, located in the Macharla. This temple, which is outside Macharla, 1 kilometer away from the Macharla, there is a Ravi tree, people tree, in the entrance. So see outside how nature there is beautiful weather. Outside there are greenery, much greenery, and Lord Shiva with Parvati. This place is which is in the nature. Nature lovers like this historical place. People gather during these Kartika Masam celebrations in the month of November. In this temple, this is outside the temple. Basically, you have to go inside the temple. Outside there are agriculture lands surrounding this temple. There is a lake in this temple. When you go inside the temple, this is actually outside the temple, so much greenery outside. People gather here during the Kartik Masam celebrations in the month of November. Nitya Annadanam, that means food served for free to the devotees, take place in this temple during the Kartik Masam celebrations. So, as you see, this temple, how it was constructed. This temple was built in olden days. You also get calm mind when you spend some time in this temple. This is the specialty of the temple.